Hi everyone, welcome to today's trade of the day. And for today's trade of the day, I will be looking at the dollar CAD. Right, so the dollar CAD, we know that the USD has been weakening quite significantly over the course of the last few days. Right, at the same time, the CAD, which is very strongly correlated to the USD, has also been moving in line. The CAD is very strongly correlated to oil prices, has also been moving in line with oil prices. All right, so with that, let's take a look at the dollar CAD. So what I have here is the dollar CAD on the 4-hour chart. Okay, very clearly following price action, we know that the dollar CAD is on a general downtrend. How do we know that? Price is making a series of lower highs. All right, and price also makes a series of lower lows. So in a downtrend, price makes a series of lower highs and lower lows. Okay, so with price now seemingly reversing, we should expect price to also make a lower high. Okay, and how do I suppose that price is going to make a series of lower high? Okay, we can actually use Fibonacci retracement from the last movement, high to the low. Open all Fibonacci ratios. All right, and of course the first target that we see is this graphical overlap here at 38.20. If it's hard for you to see, you can actually look at the prices in close. There's a 38.20 resistance over here, so I'm just going to put this as 38.20 resistance. All right, that can be our intraday target. Of course, you can have a second target at a 61.80 level. So I'm just going to highlight 38.20 and 61.80. All right, so now that we have our intraday take profit levels, let's very quickly go down to the 1 hour. Okay, so on the 1 hour, we see that this 38.20 is actually a zone, so we can actually just draw a zone around this area, sort of a resistance zone. Anywhere in this area can be a take profit level. All right, of course I'll use the recent swing low as sort of a stop loss. Okay, but I will back it up a bit, give it a bit of breathing space. Right, the reason is because I don't want price to come back down and then spike out and take out our trades prematurely. All right, so we have the stop loss and our partial take profit. Okay, and of course also our full intraday take profit. All right, now this doesn't change. There's a bit of a bug with trading view. Okay, so and let me change this color to green. Right, so what we need to do now is look for entry. And you know, for people who are impatient, you can actually enter at market now. There's quite a nice risk reward. Otherwise, let's go down to the 30 minutes to sort of look for a stronger entry. Right, okay, we see that price is actually doing a rounded bottom. Okay, we can actually use this recent push up. All right, with Fibonacci retracement 0.1, 0.2. Okay, and well, I would like to say we can open all Fibonacci ratio, but just zooming in on the 38.20 seems like a nice graphical overlap to enter on any pullbacks. And this might be a bit tougher to see, so let's go down to the 15. Right, so on the 15 minute chart in close, we see that price generally has formed a double bottom pattern, and it has broken out of the double bottom pattern. Right, so and we also see that price has made this push up. Right, so we can actually use a Fibonacci retracement, all right, of this push up over here. Okay, so using Fibonacci retracement on the 15 minutes, all right, we are starting to see the levels line up very nicely. The 50% retracement and the 38.20, all right, on the graphical overlap on the 30 minutes, on the 30-minute time frame. All right, so that can be our buy entry. Right, we can enter on pullbacks. Okay, so this works out to a very nice intraday trade for dollar CAD. All right, this is on the 30 minutes. I'm going to just pull out to the 1 hour so you can see the levels nicer in a clearer manner. Let me just zoom out a bit. Okay, so we are expecting price to make a series of lower highs. Okay, and also in a downtrend we have a series of lower low, and this lower low is already completed. All right, and last but not least, okay, we can actually also look at stochastics as a sort of a final confirmation. Okay, we have stochastics that is testing the support level. Okay, and we draw a line every time it tests the support level. We see that price, okay, price always bounces over here. Price bounces here. Price reacts as well. Here as well. In this recent area, and we should expect history to repeat itself again. So thanks everyone for tuning in to today's trade of the day. I will catch you guys the next time. Take care and stay safe.